Alright guys, the next big project I'm going to start is the garden here for the homestead. We've got our chickens should be producing eggs here any week now. And now we need some vegetables. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. I just started the garden here. Rented a Roto tiller. Went ahead and just started tilling some dirt. This little guy here, rented from Home Depot. That's been fun. And then so I want to get this dirt into some better shape here. So I got some manure, some cow manure. You can see it down cow manure. Waiting for my wife to come help me spread that, as well as some organic compost. Want to get this dirt some fertilizer, some nutrients. I think we want to do some raised beds, but either way, I want to start working on this dirt here. And we're probably going to build a greenhouse, some sort of structure over this bad boy. It does freeze here, South Texas, and it's going to get crazy hot in the summer, as per usual. So, yeah, part 2 of the homestead project. Part 1 is the those chickens over there. Yeah. Oh, there they are. They're out here just hanging. We're gonna need to get a way to utilize their manure onto this garden over here. Hey, girls. Oh, there's Gimli. There's the rooster. Hey, buddy. Yeah. So, here we go. Organic garden coming right up. Alright y'all, we got the manure laid in. 100% organic compost in that dirt right there. Next step, let's grow some vegetables. If you have any advice, please leave them down in the comments below. Save us all some time. And if you want to follow along, click like, hit subscribe. Thanks.